Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if Messenger keeps showing a notification but there is no message. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel to show your support. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and scroll through the entire chat list to see if there's an unread message. If you find one, long press it and then select this mark as read option. Repeat this for all your unread messages. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now, go to Marketplace. Then, make sure there are no unread messages. If you find one, again just long press it and select Mark as read. As you can see, I have a few unread messages here, so I will need to repeat this step for all of them. Similarly, you will need to go to the Message Requests tab and look for any unread messages in here. Mark them as read and then do the same for messages under the Spam tab as well. Now, if Messenger still shows a notification but there's no message, open its Settings menu. Here, scroll down to tap on Notifications and Sounds. In this menu, disable the message reminders and new fried notifications. This should stop the app from sending an alert without any messages. Finally, if nothing works, your best option is to uninstall the Messenger app and then install it back. This should fix issues caused by a bad update or corrupt cache data. This shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes, so do give it a try. If you have any questions about this topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Glitch Guru for more tips like this.